Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to set up your Adobe Dreamweaver software application in your desktop. So the first thing that you will need to do now is to open your browser, whatever the browser that you are using, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or anything. Then you will need to go to the searching engine and search for Adobe Dreamweaver download, and it will take you just have only download, and then you will have uh, the Adobe official website. As you can see, the adobe.com. Search and click on Adobe Dreamweaver, and you will have this page. Then either you will want to buy now or just add a free trial, because Dreamweaver or all Adobe products are not free. And then you will just click anything that you want. It will redirect you to the payments place or the payments page. You will add your informations, and then after you confirm, the installer will be downloaded automatically. Then after you click on the downloaded installer, you will have something too similar to this. This is just a master collection that I have, but you will have exactly the same window here. So basically, you run your installer that contains only Dreamweaver, and you will have your page like this. So I'm going to deselect all. I'm going to search for my Dreamweaver, uh, Adobe Dreamweaver. Here it is. You click on it. You set the language that you want. You add the location if you want to have your Dreamweaver installed somewhere else than the default location. You click on continue, and it will start installing itself. It probably will give me an error in my case because I already have it installed, or it will just pass by verifying my files, because I have it already installed, as I said, and it will finish, and then it will give you an information, or it will give you a message or notification that your installation has been finished. And then when it gives you this notification, you will have your Adobe Dreamweaver set up successfully in your desktop, either it was MacBook or Windows. So basically, I'm going to just quit here because I already have my Adobe Dreamweaver installed, and when it's finished, as I said, it will just be here in your desktop installed, and then you can just search for it in here. You will search for Dreamweaver, and you will click on it, and it will start automatically. And as you can see, now you will have your Dreamweaver that is working well and good in your desktop. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.